Canva website tutorial for beginners. So hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a website using Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your browser and search for canva.com. It can be any browser. For example, right now I am using Chrome. You can use Microsoft Edge, Mozilla, Firefox, Safari, any other browser you wish to proceed with. Now you have to log into Canva. As you can see, I am already logged into it. At the top left corner you can see this option here. Now as you can see, I am already logged into it. Don't worry, you can log into Canva for free. It will not cost you any money. Now let's get started to the main steps. So after logging into Canva, here you can see this option search bar. You can simply search for website and you will get various previously made templates here. Right here, as you can see, here you will get various previously made templates. Also you can tap on to create a blank website. You will find this option like create a blank website. Also on this option at the top right corner, create options, you can tap onto websites and you will get some templates from here, as I just showed you. For example, I'm going to choose this one, but before that let me show you. Here you can see this few pro options, the little crown icons right here at the bottom right corner. These ones are the pro one. That means if you wish to use these ones, you have to buy Canva Premium. But don't worry, Canva also supports a lot of free templates. For example, this one, today I'm going to show you every steps for free, so don't worry about that. Now tap on to customize this template. Also you can just go and tap on to create a blank website and design your own website template for free. So as you can see, the page has been opened. Now let's say that you want to edit this text at the top here. Just choose the text here and select it. You can delete it and add more text according to your needs. Okay, now let's change the color of the this text. So just choose the text and here you can see this text. Just tap on the text color and from there you can choose colors. And also you can use gradient colors by tapping on to add a new colors, and from there you can choose gradient colors if you wish to. So let me show you how you can use gradient color. Tap on to edit and from there you can see these gradient colors from here. And all other things. So for now I will be going with this color. This white color is pretty much good, also the yellow one. So for now I'm gonna go with the white color and that's it. Now let's tap on to done. If you wish to change the font of the text, then tap onto the text, choose the text, and from there at the top right corner you can see here, this is basically the font option. Now you can choose various type of fonts according to your need. There are also pro and free, both are available. As you can see, these ones are the pro one, who have a little crown icon at the right corner of them. So for now I'm going to just use these free ones. For example, this one is also nice, as you can see. Subscribe. Now let's say that you want to add an image to your background, like you want to customize this image at the background, then just choose the background image and from there from there you can right click on it, and from now you can detach image from the background, and now you can delete it and then add new background to it. So for example, let me delete this one first. Now let's upload an image for my background. So at the left corner here you can see this upload option. From there you can upload your background images very easily. Let's delete this one and add it as our background image. So let's make it larger and send it to backwards. Right click on this image, background image, then tap onto layer, and from there you have to tap onto send to back. Let me delete this one also. So there we go. Now let's change the color of this little text here, like the subheading. Let's change it to this one. Okay, that's pretty much it how you can do it. Now let's say you want to add extra monitor image or headset images, then you can go to this element side, and from there you can search for monitor, and here you can get some monitor options. You can also get graphics monitor. For example, here you can see this one, so you can also add them if you wish to. So just let me detach it. So let's delete this image here, and let's add another image. For example, this one is nice. Wait, let me choose this one, then add. Okay, this is not being added. Now if you want to know that, let's delete this one. Now let's say you want to know that how you can add images like this type of boxes onto this type of boxes, then you just can search for monitor frame, and that's simple. Now you will be able to choose them. For example, let me delete this one, right click on it, then you have to tap onto delete. Now let's add this one here and choose it, make it larger, and you can also this ones. Let me check an image. So just search for frames, and you will be able to find a lot of frames from here. Let me delete the R right from here, and here you can see there are various type of frames available here. You can just choose them and then add them to add an image to them very easily. For example, this one, let me choose this text to cider, and then okay. And if you want to add more pages, like this is how you can customize it, and you can add various types of designs from here. Just search for the type of design you want to add, then you can add them simply. Now let's say you want to add some pages to it, then tap on the plus icon, and then you can add another pages like website page here, and that's it. And if you want to add section, like this scroll down option, then tap on the add section. So this is how you can create a website using a website portfolio using Canva. Now if you want to publish website, tap onto this option in the top right corner, publish website. Now you have to enter your website URL. Simply enter your website URL and then tap on to publish, and then your website will be starting to publish. So that's pretty much it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.